I am tired of watching expats who live in China and say how cheap life in China is. Yeah, if you're okay to live in a God-forgotten place, or if you're okay tolerating a squat toilet or a shower connected to your bathroom, then yeah, you can find a cheap place for survival. But if you want to live in a comfortable place in a first-tier city such as Beijing, Shenzhen, or Shanghai, then your rent will be your biggest monthly cost. So today in my apartment tour, I will explain to you why this flat costs $3,000. I'll explain how renting in China works, how I got scammed for $5,000, and as a bonus, I'll take you around here in Beijing. Watch this video till the end and you'll be definitely surprised with the facts about living and renting here in China. So prepare some snacks or some drinks and let's get started.
And so now we are in the bar center of Beijing. It only takes a 10-minute walk from here to my building.
And this place is called Sanlitun, one of the biggest and trendiest shopping centers here in Beijing.
Here in this area we have countless restaurants, coffee shops and luxury stores. Balenciaga, Dior, Louis Vuitton are being built here. And here is also located one of the most expensive hotels here in Beijing. And here is Canada Goose, where I recently had to buy this coat because it's getting colder and colder day by day in Beijing. Sanlitun is the place for young fashionistas. Here in the evening you see a lot of well-dressed young people. So hopefully by now you understand that this is one of the best locations here in Beijing, and now we're ready to go back to my building. So we are finally right now next to my building. So this whole building is not only the apartments where I live, but also it is a Hyatt hotel. Yeah. So in this building, yeah, we have apartments and a hotel. Don't mess them up, okay? Not only that, we also have a Michelin restaurant. And now welcome to the first floor. Here we have a delivery table and a portable charger station. And then we go alongside a hallway, and what do we see on the right side? It is actually a bar. Well, I didn't become an alcoholic, but I definitely enjoy the design of this bar. Just pay attention to some of the details here and enjoy the atmosphere. And now let's go to the third floor, where we have a lounge with absolutely free soft drinks and a Nespresso machine where I drink coffee every morning and it saves me $5 every morning. And then we have a very spacious sitting area. We go next and we have a conference room. Actually, I use this room for editing my videos, work and study. Next, on the third floor, we also have a common kitchen where you can find absolutely everything necessary for your cooking. I actually don't cook, but it's nice to have a kitchen at your disposal. What I usually do here is I usually dine. I bring my food and use this dining table, I would say. And we also have another sitting area here. On top of everything, we also have a laundry room included here. Here we have a washing machine and also a drying machine, as well as an ironing area where you have everything needed for your ironing. Okay, first things first, we certainly take off our shoes. So right from the start, we actually have a kitchen. We have here a microwave, a stove, this thing I forgot in English what it's called. Then we have a teapot. I heard that in America you guys don't have it. Let me know if it's true. And we have a fridge. And can you guys tell what this is? This is an air purifier, an absolute must
in every house in China. Here's me, and we are right now in the leisure area. We have a table. This is basically right now we don't really have a central heating turned on, so I have to use this thing because it's really cold. Here is the sofa, and here is one more thing that looks pretty neat until you actually open it. It's another storage space. A designer bag is an absolute must here in Beijing because everyone is obsessed with brands, and as a girl you must own at least one designer bag to go out. And then we go next, more storage, and now you would think that yeah, it could be another storage space, but no, it's not. It is actually a bathroom. Let's have a closer look. And here we have a normal toilet, not a squat toilet, a lot of mess that I created myself. And here we have some luxury, I think, because I think only 1% of Chinese households have a bathtub. This is seriously one of the luxuries. You can actually see the bathtub from your bedroom. Of course, you can close the window for more privacy, but since I live alone, whatever. So this is how the bathtub looks from here. On top of this, certainly we have a very normal shower, and the apartments also provide the stuff like shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, body soap, whatever. And towels. This is for the feet. And so here is the bedroom. Then in the bedroom we have a pretty okay view of the city. We see some people walking, cars driving, but actually I don't hear the noise, which is amazing.
Now, my favorite part, this is a smart home system. Just with a click on my phone, I can regulate anything and everything here. I can regulate the curtains, I can regulate the lights in every rooms. I can also regulate the brightness of the lights, and also I can regulate the air conditioner from here, and also the air purifier. How amazing is this? I couldn't include the story of how I got scammed for $5,000 here in the video, but you can guys read it in the description below, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.